We've skyrocketed our business because of TikTok, and we've seen anywhere from 10 to 20K days just from TikTok alone. It's crazy what you can do on this platform. I'm gonna be talking to you guys about 3 things that we're doing right now to make our TikToks go absolutely viral. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to eCommerce Street, the best channel for e-commerce content. I just want to apologize again for, the kind of scenery here. It's in my car. Not as professional as always, but you gotta do what you got here. So I'm gonna be talking to you guys about the top 3 things that we're doing to make our TikToks go viral and literally skyrocket your sales for your e-commerce business. So if you guys have watched our channel before, we actually put out a TikTok course back in around January 2021, the beginning of this year. And some things have changed on TikTok. Just like all platforms, things do change, algorithms change. You just have to adapt. I'm gonna talk to you about some of those changes and what we're doing differently than what we're doing kind of in the course. Not that those things don't work from the course. Like if you still watch our TikTok course, you'll still be able to learn and you'll see how we make our TikToks, and that stuff will still benefit you. However, some stuff has changed, and you've made it to the right place if you do want to learn some of those new changes. So here we go. So the number one thing that we usually do when making our TikToks is really focusing on the 3-second scroll stopper that the video has. So what do I mean by this? The first 3 seconds that come into your video and are usually between 2 to 3 seconds long. So that's that first like hook or grabbing subtitle. Essentially what we would do at the beginning when we would make our TikToks is just literally film the product itself on the floor or on a backdrop, and it would go viral. It would get millions of views, and we found that with our brand we were doing that and it wasn't getting the same traction as what it used to get. Okay, so we've had to change a couple of things. The number one thing that we're actually doing is taking 3 seconds of a user generated content from whether it's Billo or B-roll. We have 3 seconds of the women, so we have a women's brand wearing our product, and it'll just be them with like a hook or whatever they're saying. Or what we'll do is we'll get this like the TikTok voice girl, and we'll have like a statement saying like, this is the best thing to wear with our product. That's what we'll say. So that will be the first 3 seconds of that video, and then followed by the rest of it being shot on the floor. So the only thing we've changed there is essentially just the way the video is structured. So the first 3 seconds is a model or like a user generated content using the product or wearing it, and then the second part of the video, so that's the next 12 seconds, it's just like filmed on the floor. Nothing much different from our TikTok course. We just add a couple like captions here and there, really enticing captions to get people to watch. So that's the number one thing that we do. And number 2, guys, we are heavily focused on trends. Before, like I said, trends have always been a big thing on TikTok, using trends to, make your videos go viral, following trends, being the first one on them. Essentially, the only thing that's changed there is finding songs and trends that are under like 12 seconds. I know this isn't like a huge change because typically we would have 15-second videos, but now the videos that have made us money and have gone super viral, the ones that are between like 8 to 12 seconds. And I don't know why that is. It's just the general benchmark that we've been following for the last like 4 months, ever since we released the TikTok course. And those are the things we've had to change. So what we'll do is, again, we'll filter through like the For You page, and we will keep scrolling until we find a song that's literally between like a week old to like 3 days old. And if there's a song that's older than that, we won't use it, just specifically because the trend is almost dying, I guess you could say, quote unquote dying. Doesn't mean you can't use it for future videos. I've seen people use songs from last year and they're going viral now. There's no real proof that you can't use an old song and have it go viral, but we just know that every time we use a new song, there's a higher possibility of it going viral, and that's just us. Some things may work different for you guys, but that's what we've been doing. So we'll take a song that's anywhere from like 8 seconds to 12 seconds long, and we'll use it in our new video, and that's how we do that. And number 3, guys, we talked a lot about time and the time frames you guys should be posting. Generally speaking, we said that usually between like 11 a.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m. works. Now we find that posting at nighttime really works well for us. And I don't know if it's just like a changing consumer behavior, like everyone's using their TikTok more at nighttime now. I don't know what it is, but we've been using and posting our TikToks around 8 p.m. Some of them, and we'll even post like once a day. We also preach a lot about posting like 4 to 5 times a day. We find that the algorithm doesn't like that, and you should just only be posting like 1 to 2 times a day. And again, I don't know how much truth there is to this. It's just what's worked for us. We find that when we post more, we get less results. And before, back in the beginning of the year, when we'd post more, we'd get more results. So it's a little bit different now. So again, you got to find what kind of works for you guys, and you got to pick and play kind of with your brand, right? Does posting at this time work? Does using this song work? Does using these hashtags work, etc.? So guys, just to recap of this video, the number one thing is the 3-second scroll stoppers, combining it with UGC content and filming your product on the ground. The music you use, so anywhere between 8 to 12 seconds long, is generally what's performing well for us. And number 3 is the times and how many times you're posting every single day. So again, we're saying that when we post at 8 p.m. usually works. If we post 1 to 2 times a day, it usually works better for us. So those are the top 3 things that have really changed for us since we posted our TikTok course. And again, guys, everything works differently for every brand, so make sure that you're split testing and make sure that you're changing things accordingly to make sure that it's optimizing for you. Well, anyways, guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel, because we are growing and we are still fairly new, you know, a year and a half to 2 years now. We've been posting content every single week still. I know we're not super active on our Instagram, but you know, we still provide the content on YouTube, and we hope that's really benefiting you guys. And I feel like a lot of people really enjoy it. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and we're going to be providing more to you guys very soon. Take care.